Let's talk about the for of loop in JavaScript. First of all, I'm going to use this simple for loop to iterate all the items from the friends array. Let I is equals to 0. This is a plain old way to iterate all the items. And friends, we need to provide the length. Here we need to increment the I, and here I am going to log the friends array, and we need to provide our index. Okay, cool. I got all the friends, but there is a problem. I don't want to use the complex logic here. If you are working with async, await, or generators, you don't need to use this plain old for loop. Or there is another alternative way, or you can say that I could use the friends dot for each loop. I have a for each method. It will take the callback method. Let's take it. It is going to take the friend, and I'm going to log the friend for each friend. Cool. I got the same result, but what is the problem with for each loop? Let's say you would like to add the break statement in for each loop, but for each do not allow you to add the break statement or continue statement. Let's say if friend is equals to do, I don't want to do anything. I would like to break my loop. So let's try to add the break statement. There is an error. Illegal break statement. You could not use the break statement here. You could not use the continue statement. Let's say if friend is equal to do, I would like to skip this step. Bam, there is an error. Illegal continue statement. You could not use that. So that's a drawback in for each loop. In other words, or you can say that we can use for in loop. I heard about for in loop. Let's talk about the for in loop. Const f in friends. Let me log the f. Oops, I got the index here. Basically, for in provides the index. It is not giving us the value. I'll talk more about the for in loop. It is useful to get the keys from the object. Now I got the index, or maybe you could say, oh, I tried this one. I can use the index here. This approach will work fine. Okay, cool, but there's a drawback here. If you try to add friends dot, let's say I'm gonna add the random property. Random is equals to 4 and friends dot shape. I'm gonna add random properties. The drawback of for in loop, it also gave us the random and shape in the output. Friends is not defined. Oops. Cool. Did you see that? So that's the problem. For and ADSD, it is giving us the value of random and shape. So that's the drawback of for in loop. The final approach is you need to use the for of loop. So that is the perfect use case. I'm going to use const f of friends console dot log f. Boom, now I got the same results. Now you can use the break statement or continue statement. Let me add that. If result is do, if friend is equals to do, I would like to break my loop. So I need to log that f. Incredible, I got the chain because the position of do is second. You could also use continue statement. I would like to skip the Joe friend. Boom, Jane, John, and Smith. So you can use continue and the break statement, but it also works with this approach. Now it is not going to log this random and shape values. Let's try to do that. Incredible. Did you see that? Now you did not get the for and ADSD, this value, random and shape value. So for off loop is also works with async await or generators. I'll show you in the later videos.